Hey everyone, I'm Netravati. I would like to share my exploratory data analysis on dataset sample superstore. Objectives of the analysis are to find out the weak areas where you can work to make more profit. Also to find out all the business problems by exploring the data. Using Tableau, let's get to the analysis. From the first chart, that is profit by category, we can see that category technology is making the highest profit and category furniture is making the least profit. From the next chart, that is subcategory profit versus sales, we can see that furniture category, under that subcategories bookcases and tables are making losses. So this is the weak area where company needs to focus to earn more profit. Next chart is profit by subcategory per city. So here we can see particular city, for example Aurora, to see which category is making profits. In this chart we can see that subcategory furniture is into losses and subcategory technology, that is phones, is into profits. From the next chart, that is sales by shipment mode. So here from the chart we can see that same day ship mode is not preferred by most of the people. Next chart is sales by segment region. So here we can see sales by particular segment. For example, here we can select only home offices to see the sales. Here we can see that in East, home offices are mostly sold. Our next chart is state-wise profit. So from this chart we can see that the darker regions are making more profits. For example, in this chart, California and New York are making the most profits. From the next charts, that is top 10 state-wise profit and top 10 state-wise sales, we can see that California and New York are at the top and they are making more profit and sales. Next, discount by category. So bigger the size, so larger the discount provided. So we can see office supplies are providing more discounts, and darker the color, more the profit. So least giving discount category, that is technology, is making the highest profit. From the next chart, that is sales versus profit when no discount is given and sales versus profit when discount is given. Let's compare these two. Here we can see that when there is no discount given, all the categories are into profits. But when discount is given, the furniture category and category office supplies are into losses. So we can conclude that profit without giving discounts also we can be into profits. Thank you everyone.